I have been participating in this conference for the last 8 years. I'm really honored to be here, even though the situation all over the world is not okay. But we have to learn how to live with the situation. So I feel very comfortable, and as far as I can see, everybody is trying to be careful about the social distance and then the regulations. I enjoy to be here, and I'm pretty sure that everybody share their knowledge and also their studies with others. I'm glad to be here. Yes, yes. I mean, I have been, as I told you, participating this conference for the last 8 years. So this year, even the number of participants is decreased a little bit, but still, as you can see, the conference is organized physically, and as Professor Popovic stated out, last year it was the first online congress. I think, as far as I can say, the first online congress in the world, maybe. So because of the time, it was April, the beginning of April. So this year, I believe that it is probably the one of the first organized, one of the first congress in the world again to be held in physically. So I'm glad to be here. And as far as I can tell you from my experience, this conference, we have very good distinguished professors, keynote speakers, as usual every year, and the participants are very, eager to share their knowledge and research with other people. And also for the networking, this is what I can tell you. I mean, during these conferences, I got so many collaboration with so many universities in all over the world, not even in Europe, but also in east part of the world, from Indonesia, Malaysia, Japan, China. So this is what can I say? I mean, this is an international conference, Exactly. In national level for Montenegro, I can tell that, okay, I mean, this is what I'm saying is also true for Montenegro, for the University of Montenegro, because, the many organizers is coming from, they are coming from University of Montenegro, Faculty of Physical Education and Sports, so that they do like both scientifically and friendly collaboration from many countries in the world. So I'm 100% sure that University of Montenegro is also improving their level of education, level of science by this way. So thanks to Montenegrin Sports Academy and also to University of Montenegro to organize this conference every year.